feel like I kind of look like one of those really fun ants. All right, my face is washed, toned, and moisturized, so we are ready to rock. For Cruella's look that I'm doing today, obviously her coat is based off of the runway, like I just want to be a dog scene, but my wig is not done up like that style, so I think I'm going to do a hybrid between that look, which is very runway and very over the top, and something a bit more subtle. I'm going in between a few of her looks today. I'm going to start with foundation. She's quite pale, which I don't really want to match specifically. I'm going to just try and do this for my own skin tone. So I'm going to be using La Roche Posay's Light Fluid Sunscreen in my color. It's just nice and light. You can go for a more overly dramatic Cruella, which I probably will do for Comic-Con, so if in the future I'll probably do maybe a full-on video of something a bit more over the top, but for now, all I'm doing is going outside, so we're gonna tone it down a little bit. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face with my hands. Okay, and with a solid base, I'm next going to do concealer. I'll pop that into the kind of corners of the nose where I'm a little bit red, underneath the eye, down the bridge of the nose, and then any kind of spots I need to cover. For the bronzer, I want to give her kind of a more angled face, and so I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the bronzer than I typically would, and that'll be at the cheekbone, at the outside forehead, down the sides of the nose, and then at the jawline. She doesn't look like she has much blush on, and so I'm going to just use a very small amount of Pink Swoon from MAC, but you can use really any lighter blush to kind of give her that more, the focus is mostly on the eyes and lips. So just very lightly, I'm gonna pop this here. And I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and blend that out. To start on the eyes, I'm going to use this light shade and highlight my upper brow and inner corner. Next, I'm going to take this silver powder and pop it over pretty much the entire eyelid. And then watch helplessly as it gets absolutely everywhere. Okay, next I'm going to take a black and start to put that in the outer corner and into the crease and start to blend that out into the silver. And then I'm going to take a kind of medium slate gray color and blend it up into the highlight we did, just to give that black a bit softer of a transition. Next, I'm going to take just a pencil liner and do what does hers look like actually? Smudgy. Okay, so I'm just going to take a liner and line the entire line and smudge it out with my finger. Because I feel very dramatic for Cruella. So I'm going to be using magnetic lashes from Arishine, but she has a cat eye throughout a lot of her looks in Cruella, so I'm going to be doing a cat eye. Too bad. Okay. I'm gonna see how these middle ones look because I have a feeling like they're just gonna be really big on me. Ooh, they are big. Ooh, and a little stabby. Okay. They're not as dramatic, but they don't look as dumb. So I'm gonna take that as a win. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend them with some mascara. For the brows, I'm just going to take a little bit of black, maybe even a dark gray, on my brush and fill in my brows. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Deadly Catch because it just feels appropriate, from NARS. None of this is sponsored, and I'll put links down in the description below. I meant to say that earlier. Great, I'm pretty happy with this. I think I tend to make changes after the wig is on as I kind of feel out the character a little bit more. So let's put on the wig and see if we want to kind of change anything or spruce anything up. So I've watched Encanto like 3 times while making this jacket, and I'm just feeling Isabella's vibes of just not being perfect. It's such a mood for 2022. Let's not put the pink from the Cheshire Cat in the front. All right, wig time. This is cute. Okay, that's better. I probably should have done that in the bathroom. Or like before I had makeup on. Do I know how to cut bangs? Absolutely not. So, you know, there's that. So if you're like, you did a terrible job, I'll be like, yeah, you're probably right. But I did my best. All right, I think we're ready to go. Let's do this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me for more Disney, Marvel, cosplay, Broadway content. We'll see you soon.